Hello students, in today's class we will do word problems based on fractions. The first question is, Mickey ate 1 by 2 kg of sweet and Tikki ate 3 by 10 kg of sweet. Who ate more? So, Mickey ate sweets is equals to 1 by 2 kg. Tikki ate sweets equals to 3 by 10 kg. We have to find out who ate more. That means we have to compare these two fractions. So 1 by 2 and 3 by 10. For comparing these two fractions, we have to use the cross multiplication method. Means 1 is to be multiplied by 10 and 2 is to be multiplied by 3. So 1 into 10 and 3 into 2. It will be 10 and 6. Now as you can see, 10 is greater than 6, which means 1 by 2 is greater than 3 by 10. So 1 by 2 kg sweets were eaten by Mickey. That means answer is Mickey ate more sweets. Next question is, Iqbal has 5/7 liter of cold drink and Sonu has 9/14 liter of cold drink. Who has less cold drink? So, Iqbal has cold drink equals to 5/7 liter. Sonu has cold drink equals to 9/14 liter. Again, to find out that who has less cold drink, we have to compare these two fractions. So 5/7 and 9/14. Cross multiply these fractions. 5 into 14, 9 into 7. So it will be equals to 70 and 9 into 7 is 63. So we can see 70 is greater than 63, which means 5/7 is greater than 9/14. So Sonu has less cold drink. Next question is, two bags contain 3 by 4 kg and 1 by 8 kg of sugar. What is the total quantity of sugar in these two bags? So firstly, what is given to us is quantity of sugar in two bags. It is equals to 3 by 4 kg and 1 by 8 kg. So total quantity of sugar, it will be equals to the sum of these two quantities. So 3 by 4 kg plus 1 by 8 kg. As we know, firstly we have to convert it into like fractions. So what we will do, we will convert 3/4 into its equivalent fraction within denominator 8. So 3/4 multiplied by 2/2 plus 1/8 kg. It will be equals to 6/8 kg plus 1/8 kg. That means 6 plus 1/8 kg, which is equals to 7/8 kg. So total quantity of sugar is equals to 7/8 kg. Next question is, 1 by 2 liter of water is kept in a bottle. 1 by 4 liter of more water is added to it. Then 3 upon 8 liter of water is removed from it. How much water is left now? So let us first write the information given in the question. Water kept in a bottle is equals to 1 upon 2 liter. Water added in the bottle is equals to 1 upon 4 liter. Water removed from the bottle is equals to 3 upon 8 liter. That means 1 upon 2 liter water was already present in the bottle. Then we added 1 by 4 liter of more water into it. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 liter of water is there in the bottle now. After that, 3 upon 8 liter of water is removed from the bottle. That means from that sum 3 upon 8 liter of water is removed. So water left will be equals to 1 upon 2 liter plus 1 upon 4 liter minus 3 upon 8 liter, as 3 upon 8 liter of water is removed from the bottle. So let us first convert all these three fractions into like fractions. We can see the denominators are 2, 4 and 8. 8 comes in table of 2 and 4 both. So we will convert 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4 into their equivalent fraction with denominator 8. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4 upon 4 liter plus 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 2 liter minus 3 upon 8 liter. So 4 upon 8 liter plus 2 upon 8 liter minus 3 upon 8 liter. Firstly, we will add the two numbers. So 4 plus 2 is 6 upon 8 liter minus 3 upon 8 liter. So 6 minus 3 is 3 upon 8 liter. That means water left in the bottle is 3 upon 8 liter. Next question is, Nidhi covered a distance of 3 upon 4 kilometer in the first hour, 1 upon 8 kilometer in the second hour and 1 upon 16 kilometer in the third hour. What distance did Nidhi cover in 3 hours? So, distance covered in first hour is equals to 3 upon 4 kilometer. Distance covered in second hour is equals to 1 upon 8 kilometer. Distance covered in third hour is equals to 1 upon 16 kilometer. We have to find out the total distance covered. So to find the total distance covered, we will add the given three fractions. So 3 upon 4 kilometer plus 1 upon 8 kilometer plus 1 upon 16 kilometer. Denominators are 4, 8 and 16. So we can see 16 comes in the table of 4 and 8 also. Convert these fractions with denominator 16 now. So 3 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 4 kilometer plus 1 upon 8 multiplied by 2 upon 2 kilometer plus 1 upon 16 kilometer. 3 into 4 is 12 upon 4 into 4 16 kilometer. 1 into 2 2 upon 8 into 2 16 kilometer plus 1 upon 16 kilometer. So 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. It will be equals to 15 upon 16 kilometer. Therefore, total distance covered is 15 upon 16 kilometer. Next question is, what should be added to 5 upon 12 to get 2 upon 3? Here you can see sum is given to us 2 upon 3. That means sum is equals to 2 upon 3. One of the number is given, that is 5 upon 12. We have to find out what we have to add in 5 upon 12 to get 2 upon 3. That will be equals to the difference of these two numbers. So number to be added will be equals to 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 12. So firstly convert 2 upon 3 into a fraction with denominator 12. So 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 4 minus 5 upon 12. 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12 minus 5 upon 12. 8 minus 5 is 3 upon 12. 3 upon 12 both comes in table of 3. So divide 3 by 3 and 12 by 3. It will be equals to 1 upon 4. That means number to be added is equals to 1 upon 4. Next question is, a book weighs 1 upon 3 kg. What is the weight of 8 such books? So what is given to us in the question? Weight of one book. It is equals to 1 upon 3 kg. And number of books is equals to 8. So we have to find out weight of 8 books. In this case, we have to multiply the weight of one book by the number of books. So weight of 8 books will be equals to 1 upon 3 kg multiplied by 8. So 1 into 8 upon 3 kg. This will be equals to 8 upon 3 kg. Next question is, 1 upon 8 liter of milk is required to prepare an ice cream. How much milk will be required for preparing 8 such ice creams? So, it is given to us in the question that milk required to prepare one ice cream is equals to 1 upon 8 liters. Number of ice creams to be prepared is equals to 8. So milk required to prepare 8 ice creams will be equals to 1 upon 8 liter multiplied by 8. So 1 into 8 upon 8 liter, which is equals to 8 upon 8 liter. And 8 upon 8 means 1 whole. So milk required to prepare 8 ice creams is equals to 1 liter.